Hey guys, it's Jam and welcome to a week of the life of a sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. Hello! Quick one more! Hello, Team Marketing PA! So this is Carmi. Hi, Carmi. This is Sambo.
Hello.
And this is me, my one and only. Hala! Hi! Hi everyone!
Ohayo gozaimasu. O疲れ様でした。
Ay, ito Japanese nito. Hello!
Hello.
Ayan, so this is what we call our weekly department meeting. I'm with our team, Ambo, with Carmi, and then of course, Jim and Donna. So the OM and the CEO and all the O's in the world. Ganon? Now this is Donna, our CEO. Hello! She is from...
Baguio City.
Yes! Okay. Anong bilis naman nun? Hello, Sandra. Hello! Mga bakla! Hello mga bakla! Hala! Bagong kasal! Bali, ganyan itsura ng aming marketing calendar. Color-coded siya. Ayan, inaayos na lang namin siya per month. Ayan, like ito, ready to post. Andito na lahat na information, content, thumbnail, caption, status. Ayan, that's how we do it. Tapos automatic siya, naka-automate siya sa Slack for approval. Meeting/alignment with Ambo. Yes, the one who produces all our videos and social media content. Yes, hi Ambo. Dali. Magay ka naman, te.
Hi. Pag-vlog ako.
Yes, ay medyo busy kami. Ayos namin aming content calendar. Yes! Ganon! Ganon. Hello! Man. Hello! Hala! Hala! Very simple lang guys. Ayan lang. O, diba? Monitor, laptop, keyboard, mouse, extra keyboard. Ayan. Okay. Yan lang. This is actually our deck. We're using Canva for all our deck and all our plans, reports, Ayan, we're using Canva. And for the live stream, we are using StreamYard. So this is what we're using. I don't know if you guys have used this before, but we are using StreamYard for live streaming. So there you go. This is how the studio looks like. So you can actually like create a live stream, and then later I'll show you the studio pag mag-live na tayo. Can you guys say hi to the vlog? Ayan. This is our online job fair. Okay. This happens every month. And here are the audience. Ayan, pang Malakasan. Hello everyone. We are going to start now. Okay? Guys, mag-hi kayo. Mag-hi kayo. Come on. Hello. Good night. Let's go with the coconuts. Mag-hi kayo. Ganyan. Ganyan. Oh, diba? May bingo night kami pag Friday. Last Friday of the month. Oh. Love it. Oh, pak. Pak. Oh, the Game Master. Come on, fam. The Game Master. Ah, bakla. Ayan. Go. Welcome to our mini studio. Yes, sa mga balikbayan. Balikbayan! Hello kay Kel and kay Michael. Ay, this is Coconut VA ha. Ayan, a weekend alive. So, this is the mini studio where the podcast happens. Hello! Bakit ganun? Bakit ganyan ang gay? Hello! Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the tubig. Come on. Say hello to the tubig, guys. Tubig. Hello, ladies! Back. Yan. Ayan, tapos na kami sa shoot, kaya we're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have dinner in Amano Shangri-La. Kung hindi ko pa napunta to try ang Amano, you try Amano. That's it, and we'll see you guys on the next video. That's a week of my life. Bye!